Hello, Longisa. Let's go shopping here. Grocery shop. Let's see what they have inside. Into here. This is where all the food and the cashier over there. Wow. What is that? Is it yummy? Oh, they make this into chip. Hot pot. Look at all this. Oh, whoa, all the noodle. $3.99. It's cheap, right? Everything here is $1, $2, $3. But you know, in Asia, 100, 200, 300. And then we got some rice. Oh, go ahead. We got some rice over here. And we have to wait because, you know, we're working. Buddha. We like Buddha brand. Oh, look at the coconut. Mango. Those mango are very sweet. And then more mango. Look, cheap, right? $8.99 for how many? For 9. It's like $1 each. They like super sweet, super good. And look at that, smells so good. I wish you could come here and smell it. I want some mango. Whoa, look at the strawberry and the special peach. This is from China, I think. And look at those. Woo, look at this. This is wapu tang, no? I don't know how to say. And then look at the lychees. Why they have to make it so yummy? Ooh, and Logan and guava and Vietnamese mango. Look how big this is. So long, so good, so crunchy. $8.99 per pound. And then if you want some medicine, like all this tomato, so beautiful, so colorful. Look at all this fruit, so beautiful, so nice. Banana, everything you want, they got it. Oh, look at the orange. Look at that dragon fruit. $8.99 a pound, $3.99 a pound. Look at this, $8.99 a pound. Oh, look at these little mangoes. They're so tiny, tiny. Look at my thumb. Wow, look at this, $4.99. Whoa, look at this, y'all. Oh, I don't know how to say, but this one you have to wait soft to eat, okay? Otherwise not sweet. Look at this. Asian shop been having everything that you like. Nana, how are you? It's a banana based something. Wow, $4 only for this. Oh, look at kiwi golden. Look at more guava. Look at that. Oh, the mango. 2 for $8. Wow. How many pounds is this? This is so sweet. The papaya is so sweet. And then sweet tamarind. You don't even have to pick it from the tree. They already pack it for you. And then this stuff go well with this stuff. Frozen sections, but on top of the frozen, you could buy the box of noodle in here. A lot of goodie, yummy. Oh, look at those chilies, frozen chilies. Crow, dark blue. Oh, this is like no expensive thing that you do hot pot. Longanisa, it's not the same as longisa. Oh, look at this. Those are good for this. This is good for spring rolls. How much? Oh, let me see how much. Can I afford to buy one? $5.99. $5.99. I take one. This is $5.99. I will take one. Wow! Look at all those yummy shrimp. Whoa! Look at those giant mango, 199 each. And then avocado, some chips. Oh, look at the yam section. You got garlic, you got ginger, you got calabasa, you got purple yam, you got towels, you got red yam, you got yellow yam, you got white yam. This is expensive. This is the Japanese purple yam, I think. Or Japanese yam is this one. And then they have potato yam, onions. Oh, look at those big towels. And how you call this in English? Oh, hikama. Vegetable section, some more yam, purple sweet yam. And I got some yam, not sure it's the same. More vegetable right here. 15 Napa carrot for 75 cents a pound. And look at all these vegetables. And then all the eggplant is almost sold out. And they have this kind. Let's take a look at over here. Wow, everything packed so nicely. Look at this. Whoa, look at that. Look at all this yummy stuff. Oh, look, they already cut for you too. You don't have to cut. Oh, look at this. Malong guys. This is good with soup. Malong guy.
Come back here when we go home.
Wow. Whoa, got it already peeled for you. You don't have to peel. Look at those corn. Look at this giant spicy Thai chilies. Jalapeno, the eggplants, solid. Whoa. Ooh, look at what is this? Did you guys know this? We eat all kind of green, but I don't know the name in English. Look at this cabbage. It's different type of cabbage. That's a yam leaf. Whoa. Oh, what is this? How do you eat? Oh, malunggay see, huh? See, malunggay stick see. You cook soup, huh? Fresh. Oh, look at the long beans and a different type of beans. And then white choy. Wow, look at the meat. It's like this. All the way across over there. And those are like blood. Those are like pork gut something. The weird stuff, but tastes so expensive, tastes so good. Whoa. This section is like beef section. Look at the oxtail. There are sharp ribs. This rice, $15. Cow, with honeycomb, this one, with rice. Chicken feet, I like chicken feet. Okay, over here is chicken sections. Wow, look at the whole fresh chickens at the bushel. And then those are like a turkeys. More chicken over here. And then chicken something, chicken breast, another different kind of meat. And then over here, have some sauce or solid, a lot of spice, and then seafood. Whoa. Yuck. I have not eaten none of this fish before. They keep it so clean, so organized, so pretty. Wow. see those? I don't know what are those. Oh, the alive one in the tank, in the back. A lot of crab meat. More over here, frozen. This is the refrigerator where they have all the ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream, dessert. Ooh, look at those pretty ice cream. Made in Korea. Let's see that. And then the drinks. And then more drinks over here. They used to have food in there and sell food, but no more after COVID-19. No more food. Whoa, look at that. So if you cook banh mi, they'll make for you. You don't have to make yourself. Oh, and then they have this. How much is? Not bad. I don't know what's that. Some more over here, and if you're ready to pay, you wait for here until they're available. Some more drink over here. Over here, all the dry stuff, the noodle. Those are my favorite noodles. I had to get noodle because I'm about to make some spring rolls. Is that how you say spring roll? $2.99. Damn, $4.99. Dang. Okay. I got no choice but to get this one. And then, oh, I need to buy tofu, huh? Because I want to put spring roll on my tofu. My niece makes some tofu spring roll. That was fantastic. Oh, this is like definitely my place to go. I love looking at this stuff. I have those at home when I do my steaming, my food steam. Those are good for steam. The booms, those are good too. And when you want to do hot pot, when you go camping a lot, this is also helpful for the people who like to go campings. Wow. Wow. Amazing. And then over here, they got all this spice and more sauce. And then the canned food over here. But I won't go down because 2 men is busy. Over here. Ooh, all these ingredients. This side is like rye or oil and mayonnaise. And this side is like hoisin sauce, panda sauce, soy sauce. And then, excuse me, that's what I use for spring rolls. And this is the kind of pizza I do, but holy goodness. Ooh, they got Filipino ketchup, y'all. They got Filipino ketchup now. Look, it came back. It wasn't come back for a long time because they say something. Hoo-hoo. Over here, some snack. Of course, Asian store, they have lots of Asian snack. Same side, both sides. Asian snack, Asian snack, Asian snack. Those Pocky, those candies. Right here. This is actually good, not bad. I like it. It's $4.99, 1 pack. They come with 6 eggs, some drink, some honey, tea, more snack like peanut. like this. You can eat right away. I'm not sure they're from Philippines or they're from Thailand, Taiwan, Vietnam, or China. I'm not sure where they come from, but they're all delicious. My kid like this with corn something, and my coworker like this, and I like those, and my son like this, and my niece like that, and my nephew like this, and my coworker like that, and my grandma like this, and my grandfather like this one, and my mother-in-law like this, father-in-law like this. My mom and dad complicated. They don't know what to like. If you want some condensed milk, they also have condensed milk for you. I love condensed milk. Growing up, I drink condensed milk with coffee with my father every morning. Okay. Egg section. Oh, look. Asian drink. You get drunk. I tell you a secret. You like this stuff? Go Costco, way cheaper. Cheaper than this. But then over here, let me get my tofu, and then I'm gonna no more, keep going. $14.99 a buck. Tofu meatball. Where are you, tofu? I ate lots of this when I was a kid. I still eat lots of this as an adult. I usually buy this one, and then they give you this little cutie. And then you have something inside. So this is what I have, a lot of stuff inside, and I know it's more than $100. Time to go. Time to go pay, okay? Let's see how much. Let me see when I get to the street. Papaya, with papaya salad, everything ketchup. How much is it? Total is 97 something. Thank you. Bye bye. All done. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Going outside to my car.